Oh, I'm struggling right now. Hey guys, it's Josh with PALASSIS Media again. It's 5 a.m. right now because your boy can't sleep. I thought I'd just make another video for you. I mentioned this in the last video, setting up domains within ClickFunnels. So I thought I would just show you. It's going to be a quick video because there's not too much to show. So if and when you have to make a landing page, make a funnel, do whatever the case may be for your clients or for yourself, you need a proper domain. Don't mind my my stutter right now. Like I said, it's pretty late. So these are just domains that I have already registered within ClickFunnels. So when you come here, if you have your domain registered somewhere else, you can add it, or you can purchase and manage it within ClickFunnels itself. So let's just go here, add domain. Something I had to learn the hard way, by the way. If you're trying to be sneaky like I was and make a domain that has the name ClickFunnels in it, or any of their products, funnel hacks, anything that has to do with ClickFunnels, they won't let you do it. So just word to the wise, don't even bother. So if you want to add your own domain that you already have, click here, add it. You'd have to go into your own hosting. You know what? Let me just show you. I wasn't gonna do this, but why not? So if you already have a website and you're trying to connect it, you're gonna have to go into your own. Okay, let's see here. You're gonna have to go to the website that hosts your URL. Is this gonna be good? Okay, I got a bunch here, as you can see. I don't even. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna have to come in here, go to manage. No, I lied. Don't go to manage. You got to go to DNS. Let's just go back. So go back here, press DNS settings, and you're going to want to see right here this CNAME. No, that's not the one. It's this one. CNAME. See how it's targeted at ClickFunnels? So what you're going to want to do is, you're probably going to already have a CNAME in there. Just don't worry about it. Add a new one. So you literally press add, then it'll give you the options to totally do this. So you want to literally host it at www. It tells you this when you put in your email, or sorry, your URL. So you want to put www as your host, points to target.clickfunnels.com. Just leave it at 1 hour. Save it, and then just kind of refresh the page a bit. Wait maybe a few minutes. Come back here, add your domain, blah blah blah, and then you'll click add. It'll go through a couple steps where it'll just verify that the CNAME has been added, and then assuming you already did it, no problem. Bing bang boom, you're done. So you can leave that. All right, let's do what I was originally planning on doing here, is create a new domain. So register a new, nice and exciting. Do whatever you want. Actually, you don't even need to type in W. Let's just say free fun stuff. freefunstuff.net, freefunstuff. Whatever. Choose your, for some reason it's not offrand.com. That's the thing about using ClickFunnels, is you're going to have fewer options than you would using something like GoDaddy. So just keep that in mind. So literally you just click it, you buy it, and that's literally it. Then boom, you have a domain. And what I suggest doing also, every time you go to add the domain to one of your funnels, make sure you actually go in to the settings. And you're going to want to make sure, obviously I go in here, the default page for this domain is, this is the page of that funnel that I connected it to. And when we do the funnel creating video, I'll show you how this kind of all integrates. But just for now, I just wanted to show you guys that you can do this within ClickFunnels. Make sure all of these go to your first page. Just, this is a 404 error page. This is obviously the actual default page. So this is in case somebody types in almost the right URL, but it's just a little wrong. So it'll at least still go to the first page. This, nothing. I don't know, yeah, because ClickFunnels doesn't own this DNS record. And if it did, you could manage it just like I did in GoDaddy. You could do that here in ClickFunnels. Anyways, the main thing I want to show you here is make sure every single time you add a new domain, see SSL is enabled. That's just like a site security. It's going to be not It's not going to be secured off the bat, so you want to press secure. Honestly, it usually takes like 5 seconds, so just do it. Literally refresh. If it takes a few minutes, whatever, come back in like 5-10 minutes. But you want to make sure it's secured, and that is, if you don't know, that's the S in HTTPS. So if someone goes to a website, actually, I remember, hold on. There's this photographer that I did a job for. See how it says not secure? That's because he doesn't have SSL. It's totally free. SSL is not a big deal. But if you don't know about it, then then you don't know about it. This is actually a logo that my company did for him, which is pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, so that's just so you know that's what SSL is. So you always want to make sure you have it because it makes everything look more validated, more authentic, and more trustworthy. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just a really quick one. I wanted to show you that you can add a domain within ClickFunnels and manage it within ClickFunnels, which is very easy. Because like I said in the last video, convenience is key when it comes to all this kind of stuff. That's why I like my Actionetics, because I can make my emails within ClickFunnels and all that. I'll probably do that in the next video, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, that's about it for now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this helped. See you guys.